Hi guys, Justin here with another tech tip from In the Ditch Towing Products. Today we're going over how to rebuild our Camlock system using the ITD 7166 Camlock rebuild kit. Let's start by going over what's in the kit and the tools you'll need for this rebuild. Your Camlock rebuild kit comes with a plunger, spring, rubber cap, threaded handle, and thread locker. To start, we're going to make sure that we get thread locker on our threaded handle. It's important that we get a nice bead or nice dab on each side of the threads so that we get a good amount when it's installed into the plunger. Next, we'll make sure we put the spring onto the plunger, and notice if we point this hole kind of up and towards the center of the frame, it'll make it easier as we install that threaded handle. When you compress that spring, if you can watch and have your hole pointing upward, it makes it a little bit easier as we install the threads. Once it's all the way tight, flip that over so we can get access to it. Take our pliers and make sure we get that nice and snug. We'll finish this rebuild by installing our rubber cap and making sure that it functions properly from the engaged and disengaged positions. Also make sure that you're going to add grease to this greaser now that we've replaced that system. Thanks for following along on this tech tip video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. And as always, see you in the ditch.